nagkaroon po ng mga sakit noong 2012. My sister had cancer, my brother had a heart attack, at sabay-sabay po yun, ano. And that was a time na parang, it's not you're losing hope, but minsan bakit hindi ba? Parang there are questions in your mind, but you know, God has been really faithful to His promise of His love. His love is so good, it's so big, na kahit anong problema, wala yun lahat. Because His love is bigger than anything else in the world. And I am witness to that. I'm sure you have your little miracles in your life. And I just want to thank the Lord kasi naranasan ko po yun, napakasarap po siyang pakiramdam. And it just simply says that His love heals. And that is why my sister is here and my brother is here. They're alive, they're beautiful and handsome. And they're both dreaming with me as a family. And this song speaks for it.
Atas abante, hindi ko maintindihan. Minsan kampante, bigla na lang mawiwindan. Ulit-ulit lang buong maghapon, para lang nakakahon, bawang magtapon, maubos na ang panahon. Inawat mo ang ikot ng mundo. Tiyakot mo, binago ang pulso. Hindi mapipigilan ng daluyong, hindi mapapagabag ng tagundo. Sa bisa ng kapangyarihan ng pag-ibig mo. Sobrang salamat sa dulot ng pagmamahal. Siyang nahihirapan sa puso kong pagpapagal. Lahat ay kakayanin kong daanan, kaya-kaya lang pasan, walang hangganan, ngunit magpakailanman. Inawat mo ang ikot ng mundo. Tiyakot mo, binago ang pulso. Hindi matatawaran ang pangarap, hindi mababawasan ang tagumpay. Sa bisa ng kapangyarihan ng pag-ibig mo. Sobrang salamat sa dulot mong pagmamahal.
Thank you, Jesus! Wow! And I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the man who wrote and put music sa kapangyarihan ng pag-ibig, Mr. Junji Marcelo.